Hey guys, I hope you are all good. Today, I will show you how you can remove Copilot from your taskbar. So let's start the video. Welcome to my channel TW Tech. First, you need to right-click on your taskbar, and then click on Taskbar Settings. Click on it. Now you can see that your Copilot is successfully removed. If you want it back, just click on it again. You can see that your Copilot is come back. So that's how you can do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.